In a world of ordinary tales, there emerges an extraordinary saga that begins with an orphan's resilience and transforms into a billion-dollar empire. Imagine a young man left with nothing but determination, shaping the destiny of an entire industry against all odds. Today, we embark on a journey through time, unraveling the captivating chronicle behind one of the world's most coveted luxury brands, Rolex. From the humble origins of its founder, Hans Wilsdorf, to the groundbreaking innovations that revolutionized timekeeping, we delve deep into the secrets that make Rolex more than just a watch. It's a symbol of enduring craftsmanship and unmatched elegance. Brace yourself for a narrative that spans continents, defines conventions, and redefines the very essence of timepieces. Stay tuned until the end as we peel back the layers of Rolex's remarkable history, revealing the pivotal moments and the untold stories that shaped its legacy. Whether you're a horology enthusiast, a history buff, or simply someone who appreciates the finer things in life, this journey promises to leave you awe-inspired and enlightened. Prepare to witness the fusion of ambition and innovation, a tale that proves dreams can indeed stand the test of time. Early life and struggles of Hans Wilsdorf. In the dim corridors of history, the tale of Hans Wilsdorf's early life illuminates a remarkable journey from adversity to triumph. Born into the modest town of Kumbach, Germany in 1881, Hans was orphaned at the tender age of 12, left to navigate the world's challenges alone. Despite the loss, his spirit remained unbroken, fueled by an unwavering determination to overcome the odds. This indomitable will led him to Geneva, Switzerland at the age of 19, where he found work as an apprentice for a pearl exporting company. Here, he honed his skills and curiosity, laying the foundation for his future endeavors. Hans' story is one of resilience, transforming the obstacles of his early years into the building blocks of his success. Little did he know that these formative struggles would shape the destiny of one of the world's most iconic luxury brands, Rolex, making his journey a testament to the power of perseverance and vision. Journey to Geneva and entry into the watchmaking industry. Embarking on a transformative odyssey, Hans Wilsdorf's journey to Geneva marked a pivotal chapter in the annals of horology. At the age of 19, armed with determination and an insatiable curiosity, he left his homeland and ventured to the heart of Switzerland, a global epicenter for watchmaking excellence. In Geneva, a city steeped in horological traditions, Wilsdorf found his calling. He immersed himself in the intricacies of watchmaking, absorbing the craftsmanship and innovation that defined the Swiss industry. Through dedication and hard work, he carved a niche for himself, gaining invaluable insights into the art and science of timekeeping. With each tick of the clock, Hans Wilsdorf's expertise grew, and his passion for watches ignited. His entry into the watchmaking industry was not merely professional, it was a fervent embrace of an art form that would consume his life. Little did he know that his humble beginnings in Geneva would lay the foundations for the birth of Rolex, a brand that would revolutionize the world of watches and stand as a testament to his enduring legacy. Founding of Wilsdorf and Davis Limited, later Rolex. In the bustling atmosphere of early 20th century London, Hans Wilsdorf, driven by his profound love for precision and innovation, took a bold step that would resonate through generations. In 1905, in partnership with Alfred James Davis, he founded Wilsdorf and Davis Limited, a modest venture that would later metamorphose into the globally acclaimed Rolex. The inception of this enterprise marked the fusion of Wilsdorf's visionary zeal and Davis's financial acumen, creating a synergy that would shape the future of watchmaking. Under their meticulous guidance, the company began importing high-quality watch movements from Switzerland, assembling them into watch cases in England. This meticulous attention to detail and commitment to quality swiftly earned them a reputation for excellence. Wilsdorf's dream of crafting timepieces that were not just accurate but also elegant and reliable started to take shape. The pivotal decision to change the company's name to Rolex in 1908 marked the beginning of an illustrious journey, setting the stage for innovations that would redefine the very essence of luxury watches and secure Rolex's indomitable place in horological history. Innovation and challenges during World War I. Amidst the thunderous echoes of World War I, Rolex, under the visionary leadership of Hans Wilsdorf, navigated treacherous waters, demonstrating unparalleled resilience and innovation. The war posed daunting challenges to the entire watchmaking industry, with demands for precision timepieces intensifying. Rolex, however, rose to the occasion. In the crucible of conflict, the brand showcased its mettle, producing wristwatches that surpassed the accuracy of their predecessors. These wristwatches proved pivotal for soldiers on the front lines, enabling synchronized military maneuvers and enhancing tactical precision. Yet challenges abounded. Scarce resources and logistical hurdles tested Rolex's ingenuity. Despite these adversities, the company not only endured but thrived, solidifying its reputation for reliability and accuracy. Rolex innovations during this period laid the groundwork for the brand's future. It was in the face of war, where seconds meant lives, that Rolex's commitment to excellence became evident. This chapter in Rolex's history illustrates not only the brand's technical prowess, but also its unwavering dedication to precision, even in the direst of circumstances. Relocation and Growth post-World War I. In the aftermath of the Great War, Rolex embarked on a transformative journey, shifting its headquarters from London to Switzerland, a move that would shape its destiny. Relocating to the horological hub of Geneva in 1919, Rolex found itself amidst a thriving community of master craftsmen and innovators. This strategic move amplified the brand's access to cutting-edge technology and unmatched expertise, catapulting its growth. Post-World War I, Rolex witnessed a meteoric rise in its reputation. The company, now firmly rooted in Switzerland, became synonymous with precision, quality, and innovation. Rolex's commitment to pushing boundaries bore fruit, with the brand consistently introducing groundbreaking advancements. The period following the war saw Rolex solidifying its position as a global leader in watchmaking, setting new standards that would echo through generations. The relocation became a pivotal moment, propelling Rolex into an era of unparalleled growth and cementing its legacy as a symbol of enduring excellence in the world of luxury timepieces. Revolutionizing the watch industry. With audacious vision and unyielding determination, Rolex embarked on a journey that would revolutionize the watch industry, fundamentally altering how the world perceived timekeeping. At the heart of this transformation was Hans Wilsdorf's fervent belief in the potential of wristwatches. Contrary to the prevailing norm of pocket watches, which were deemed more accurate, Wilsdorf saw a future in wristwatches for their convenience and practicality. In 1926, Rolex unveiled the groundbreaking Oyster, the world's first waterproof wristwatch. This innovation not only defied convention, but also reshaped consumer expectations. The Oyster's hermetically sealed case provided unparalleled protection against dust and water, a feat deemed impossible until then. This breakthrough marked a paradigm shift, making wristwatches not just fashionable accessories, but reliable everyday companions. As technology advanced, Rolex continued to lead the industry, introducing self-winding mechanisms and perpetual rotor movements. Each innovation solidified Rolex's reputation for precision and durability. By persistently pushing boundaries, Rolex not only transformed the watch from a timekeeping tool into a symbol of status and sophistication, but also set a standard for excellence that continues to define the industry today. Marketing strategies and global recognition. Rolex's ascent to global prominence was not solely a result of exceptional craftsmanship. It was also propelled by ingenious marketing strategies that captivated audiences worldwide. One such masterstroke was Rolex's association with significant achievements. In 1927, when Mercedes Glatze swam the English Channel wearing a Rolex Oyster around her neck, it marked a pivotal moment. The watch emerged unscathed, emphasizing its unparalleled durability. This triumph was widely publicized, capturing the public's imagination and solidifying Rolex's reputation for reliability. The brand's marketing brilliance extended to endorsements by renowned personalities, like the speed record holder Sir Malcolm Campbell, who wore Rolex during his feats. Such associations painted Rolex as a symbol of adventure and accomplishment. Additionally, Rolex strategically placed its watches in fish bowls with live fish at dealerships, visually showcasing the Oyster's waterproof feature. These savvy marketing tactics elevated Rolex from a timekeeper to a status symbol. The allure of owning a Rolex extended beyond its precise engineering. It became a statement of achievement and sophistication, securing its place in the Horological Hall of Fame. Legacy and modern impact. Hans Wilsdorf's indomitable spirit and Rolex's legacy continue to shape the modern watch industry. Wilsdorf's passion for precision and innovation embedded a philosophy that transcends time, defining Rolex's enduring legacy. His commitment to crafting not just watches, but heirlooms of impeccable quality elevated Rolex to a symbol of status and luxury. In the present era, Rolex stands as a beacon of excellence. Its watches are not mere timekeepers, but artifacts of craftsmanship and artistry. The brand's unwavering dedication to precision, durability, and elegance has made it the epitome of watchmaking. Moreover, Rolex's philanthropic endeavors, notably the Wilsdorf Foundation, emphasize the commitment to social causes, showcasing a corporate ethos that extends beyond profit margins. Rolex's impact echoes in the hearts of watch enthusiasts, collectors, and connoisseurs worldwide. Its designs are iconic, its innovations groundbreaking, and its influence immeasurable. With every tick, Rolex reaffirms its legacy, reminding the world that behind every elegant timepiece lies a story of resilience, passion, and an enduring commitment to perfection. In the tale of time, Rolex stands as a testament to human ingenuity and determination. From the humble beginnings of Hans Wilsdorf, a young orphan driven by unwavering resolve, to the pinnacle of horological brilliance that Rolex represents today, this journey is nothing short of extraordinary. Wilsdorf's unwavering spirit and relentless pursuit of innovation propelled him from the streets of Geneva to the forefront of the global watchmaking industry. His partnership with Alfred James Davis marked the birth of Rolex, a brand destined to redefine luxury watches. Amidst the challenges of World War I, Rolex displayed unparalleled resilience, crafting wristwatches that defied the odds. Post-war, a strategic move to Geneva propelled Rolex into an era of unmatched growth and innovation. The brand's audacious advancements, epitomized by the revolutionary oyster, transformed watches into symbols of sophistication and dependability. Rolex's marketing brilliance, exemplified by daring endeavors like the English Channel Swim and strategic alliances, elevated it to iconic status. Today, Rolex stands as a beacon of precision and elegance, a timeless legacy echoing tales of resilience, passion, and unwavering commitment to perfection. Thanks for watching. Until next time.